Introducing a more intuitive way for your stories. Always ready for stable and smooth moves. Compact and easy to carry folding design. The new MOZA Mini MX foldable smartphone gimbal. Easy to balance and ready to shoot anytime, anywhere. Switch from horizontal to vertical mode in an instant and create amazing stories for your social media. Videography has never been so simple with the MOZA Genie's new Magic Mode. With the built-in creative shooting templates, you could make your exclusive masterpiece with ease. Enroll your creativity with the built-in editor. Edit fast, straight on your smartphone with filters, transitions, and music. Control your recording with the Smart Gesture Control. The Intelligent Follow feature will keep you always in the frame. And make your shots stand out with Sport Gear Mode, FPV Mode, and Inception Mode. The built-in Bluetooth supports direct control to native camera. Comfortable shooting with the user-friendly grip and expand more possibilities with the 1/4-inch expansion slot for your tripod or other accessories. Create your story now with the MOZA Mini MX.